One day, Mori, Cango and Bambo were playing in the park. The air was calm. Everything was quiet. Suddenly, a small sound appeared. Tick, tick. Mori stopped. He looked around. "What is that sound?" he whispered. Cango lifted his head. "I heard it too," he said. Bambo listened carefully. The sound came again. Tick, tick. The three friends looked at each other. Mori started walking slowly. Toward the sound, Cango followed him. Bambo walked quietly behind. They looked in the grass. They looked near the tree, but they couldn't see anything. They stopped for a moment and listened again. Tick, tick. This time, it was closer. Mori bent down. He noticed something small, a tiny toy, making the sound. Mori picked it up and smiled. "It was here," he said. Cango laughed. Bambo smiled too. The sound stopped, and the park became quiet again. But Mori had made a small discovery.